So the state would like to get a final order. As the court observed, this is going to be a default hearing. Should be fairly straightforward. We're going to be running all calculations, current, medical, and retro, based upon the minimum wage presumption. So again, fairly straightforward default. And Ms. Flynn, how many children are we here on?
2.
And what are the names of those children?
Ryan Joseph Vela Lobos and then Cohen J Vela Lobos.
Okay. And how old are the children?
So my oldest, which is Ryan, he is 3. The youngest is 2.
Okay. And when roughly did you separate from Mr. Villalobos?
I would say based off of the court dates, it would have to be before June, so it would be May of 2024.
Okay, alrighty. And since that time, did Mr. Villalobos provide any sort of support for you or the children of any kind?
Other than the 1 gallon of milk I told you about earlier, no, sir.
Okay, so there has been no substantial support. Okay. And you are requesting retroactive support be awarded?
Yes, sir.
All right. And as far as medical coverage goes, how are the children being covered medically?
Through Medicaid.
Okay. And as far as any access and possession schedules are concerned, are you and Mr. Villalobos capable of co-parenting?
Yes, sir. Yes,
and does
sir.
Villalobos attempt to see his children and have a relationship with them?
Yes, sir. He does attempt.
Okay, so you don't have any safety concerns as far as Mr. Villalobos and the children are concerned, correct?
No, sir.
Okay, so a standard possession order would be acceptable to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And now, as we had discussed previously, you understand the state is calculating Mr. Villalobos' current child and medical support based on the minimum wage standards. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And that's acceptable to you, correct?
For right now, yes, sir.
Okay.
Real quick, sorry, ma'am, does he have a profession? What does he do?
He is supposedly working electrical out of Copper's Cove, but would not tell me the exact company, so I was not able to provide that for you guys.
All right. Does he have some type of electrician certifications?
He should be working on his journeyman's.
Mr. Gwen, I'm a little hesitant to have a journeyman electrician at minimum wage, because that's probably earning somewhere between 3 to 4 times that amount, and he's just trying to hide it from us.
Understandable, Judge. I can, if you want to put in recess, I can look into that further, see if I can have
a child support review officer to do that, and if that can't find anything coming in, or at least get the statistics for Bell County, where the journeyman electrician makes at the lower rate, middle rate, and the high rate. Okay. Yeah,
understood, Judge. I will get that back to you as soon as possible. Shouldn't take me very long. Thank you.
All right, ma'am. There's ways for us to. We got statistics showing what people earn in this area, and we're going to try to look that up. And because again, I'm not going to give somebody who's making $28 an hour minimum wage $7 an hour a new. So anyway,
yes, sir.
We'll go ahead and see what that is, and we'll get back with you. And
I do wanted to say that with his last electrical job, he was making $19 an hour.
Okay. All right. Good enough. So we'll start there and work for it. And he told you that specifically, correct, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
All right. Well, the state can get that from you, and we'll at least start at that amount. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
All right. We'll be right back. Thank you. All right, we're back on the record on Bell County Cause number 25 DFAM 353232. In the interest of Vela Lobos minor children, the court recessed this matter to get some more accurate information as far as Mr. Ryan Vela Lobos' income potential based on what he does for a living. Anyway, we're back and ready to go. Ms. Flynn has already been sworn, and I'll allow the state to proceed at this time. Thank you.
Well, the state would like to have the CSO sworn in.
All right, Ms. Atha is going to be the one today. All right, thank you. Do you solemnly swear or affirm your testimony you're going to give here today is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you very much. The state may proceed. Thank you.
All right, the state would like to call Brianna Atha,
Yes, sir.
and
Please state your full name for the record, ma'am.
Brianna Atha.
All right, thank you.
and Miss Atha, what is your job title?
I'm a child support officer.
And what agency do you work for?
I work for the Office of the Attorney General.
And how long have you worked there?
Approximately 4 years.
And at that employer, you have access to reliable reports of employment information, including wages and dates of employment.
I sure do.
And in the regular course of your business, do you access those types of reports?
Yes, I do.
And have you accessed that information for the non-custodial parent in this case?
Yes, I have.
And what did you find his income to be in 2024?
So for Mr. Vela Lobos, I was able to find a total income for 2024 for the entire year of $26,706.94.
And my math is right, that comes out to about $2,225.58 per month, correct?
Correct.
Okay. And in 2025, has his income been reported below minimum wage?
Everything that I have is reported below minimum wage. Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. I have no further questions at this time, this witness, Judge.
All right, thank you very much. Ms. Flynn, any questions of the CSO?
No, sir.
All right, you may proceed. Thank you. The CSO Atha, you're free to go. Thank you.
All righty. So I would like the state would like to recall Ms. Flynn.
You may do so. Thank you.
All right. And Ms. Flynn, did you hear those new numbers as provided by my CSO?
Yes, sir.
And you understand that from that testimony that Mr. Villalobos made a significantly higher amount in 2024 than he's currently reported as making. You
Yes, sir.
understand? And do you think that in that 2024 amount is what he's capable of making, correct?
Yes, sir.
So are you asking that the state set his current child and medical support as well as his retroactive based on what he's capable of making as reported in his 2022 findings? Sorry,
Yes, sir.
2024 findings.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And so that now brings a number of the state's guideline calculations to $100 per month in medical support. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
And is that an acceptable number to you?
Yes, sir. That would help us out a
And
ton.
you understand that would bring the child support to $466 per month. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
And would that number be acceptable to you?
Yes, sir.
And now you had stated that he had not provided any support in roughly 16 months since y'all's separation. And
Yes,
that number would now become a retroactive payment of $7,456 per month. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand, based on a 6% per annum calculation, he would be ordered to repay that at $90 per month? Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. And is that number acceptable to you?
Yes, sir.
All righty. I have no further questions of this witness at this time, Judge.
All right, ma'am, I'm gonna go ahead and grant the new amounts and requests. First off, I'm going to I'm sorry, I missed Gwen, did I may have missed this the last time, I don't recall. We're looking at naming her joint MC, naming him joint MC, giving her the right side domicile, that rights unrestricted, dad has standard possession, correct?
That is correct.
All right, so that is so granted. I'll grant the child support as requested, the cash medical as requested, and the retroactive and repayment as requested. And I'll order that in the instance that the county decides they want court costs in this matter, that also goes to dad. And he'll have until the 31st day of October of 2026 to pay that. And I'm gonna start all the child support, cash medical, and retroactive payments the first day of November 2025. Is there anything else on this one, Mr. Gwynn?
There is not, Judge.
All right, thank you very much, Mr. Gwynn. Thank you very much, Ms. Flynn. Good luck to you and the kids. Have a happy Halloween, a happy Thanksgiving, and a Merry Christmas, and Happy New Year. And if you're into Seinfeld, then happy Festivus, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you. God bless you guys.
Thank you, ma'am. We're off the record. Good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. And can Ms. Flynn be placed in a breakout room? Thank you.